Try to imagine how you'd stay cool if your home didn't have any air conditioning during the heat wave. That's a lot of people this week. Angel Rivera and his family spend as much time as possible at the Sarah Jane Sherman State Pool on Meadow Street in Chicopee. They waited patiently for the pool to open at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Rivera told 22 News life would be unbearable without the pool.
No AC. It's very hot out there to be without it. It will be chaos, I guess, because being locked up in the house is no good at this time with this weather. It's so hot.
Yeah, it can get real warm inside the house. Every day during the heat wave and the remainder of the summer, the Sarah Jane Sherman State Pool in Chicopee provides relief until 7 o'clock each evening.